In this segment, we will be discussing the process of wheel truing. As you can see, for one reason or another, this wheel is experiencing a lot of wobbling side to side and it needs to be fixed. In order to true a wheel, the wheel first needs to be placed inside of the truing stand. This next step is very important. What we are doing here is using Tri-Flow, which is a lubricant, to lubricate the spokes and nipples so that they are able to spin freely and we can properly true the wheel. For the next step, we need to be able to set the depth of the feeler gauge. This ensures that we can see where the wheel is out of true. Take a close listen to the rubbing sound.
As you can hear, it's hitting on one spot on the right-hand side of the rim. So what we'll do is we will wait until that high spot hits again, stop the wheel, and find the high point of the bend, which is right about here. There are two things that we can do. We can either loosen these two spokes or tighten these three. What that will do is allow the wheel to move towards this side of the wheel. In this case, I'm going to tighten the three. So I'll do a quarter turn, an eighth of a turn, a quarter turn. Now, most of that is gone. So we'll readjust the feeler gauges and do that again until there are no more noises going around the wheel.
Now, doing the exact same process on the left side of the wheel, we will true up any areas where the feeler gauge is touching against the rim. With wheel truing, it is especially important not to make too many large adjustments to start. It's best to start with small, minute adjustments and continue to do that as you spin the wheel around. The wheel will gradually improve as you make these adjustments. As you can see now, this wheel is in much better shape than before. This concludes our video tutorial on how to true a wheel. Thanks for watching.